Good morning, children. Standard ninth, History, Chapter 2, Ancient Civilization, Session 2. Introduction. Chinese civilization is one of the oldest civilization. It is regarded as one of the cradles of civilization. Location. China lies between two major rivers. One is known as Huanghe Yellow River and the other is known as Yangtze River. The Yellow River is known as the Sorrow of China. The Yellow River changes its course and causes frequent floods. Evidence. Evidence proves that Peking man and Yanmou man existed in China. Yangtze River and Yellow River Valley contains evidence for Neolithic villages. China had many city-states and these states became a part of an empire. Polity and emperors. Shi Huangdi, Qin Shi Huang, which means the first emperor who founded the Qin dynasty. The emperor had the title Son of Heaven. He conquered other principalities and remained the emperor till 212 BC. He established a strong empire. Shi Huangdi constructed the Great Wall of China to protect themselves. Han Empire. The greatest of the Han emperors was Wuti. He expanded the empire and built many public amenities, irrigation tanks, etc. He paved the way for the opening of Silk Road to encourage trade. Philosophy and literature. Chinese poets and philosophers such as Lao Tse, Confucius, Mencius contributed to the development of Chinese civilization. Sun Tzu wrote the work called Art of War. The Spring and Autumn Annuals is the official chronicle of the state. Canon of Medicine was written during the time of Han Dynasty. Lao Tse, he was the founder of Taoism. He argued that desire is the root cause of all evils. Confucius, a Chinese philosopher, he insisted on cultivation of one's own personal life. If personal life is cultivated, family life is regulated. And once family life is regulated, national life is regulated. Mencius, a Chinese philosopher, he traveled throughout China and offered his counsel to the rulers. Chinese script. Chinese system of writing was pictographic system and later it was converted into a symbol form. Contribution of Chinese civilization. Writing system was improved. Invention of paper. Opening of Silk Road. Invention of gunpowder. Terracotta is the important Chinese gift. Indus civilization, we call it as Indus Valley civilization. Introduction. The Indus civilization was also known as Harappan civilization. Location. It covers an area of 1.5 million square kilometer in India and Pakistan. It lies in the regions of present Gujarat, Pakistan, Rajasthan and Haryana. Planned towns. Harappa lies in Punjab and Pakistan, Mohenjo-daro in Sindh and Pakistan, Kalibangan in Rajasthan, Rakhigarhi in Haryana, Lothal in Gujarat are the few major cities of Indus Valley civilization. Fortification, well-planned cities, streets and lanes and drainages can be observed in the Harappan towns. Harappans used baked and unbaked bricks and stones for constructions. A civic authority controlled the planning of the towns. A few houses had more than one floor. The Great Bath. The tank called the Great Bath is at Mohenjo-daro. It is an important structure with several adjacent rooms. Some unearthed structures have been identified as the granary. Agriculture and animal domestication. The Harappans practiced agriculture. Harappans cultivated wheat, barley and millets. Double cropping system was adopted. Rearing of cattle, sheep and goats. The Harappan cattle was called zebu. It is often represented in the seals. Pottery. The Harappans used painted pottery with deep red slip and black paintings. Different shapes of potteries and storage jars, plates, dishes, bowls and pots. They depicted pipelry, leaves, fish scale designs, zigzag lines, floral and faunal patterns. Metal tools and weapons. The Harappans used copper objects, bone and ivory tools. The tools and equipment such as chisels, needles, weighing pans, mirror, etc. were cut out of bronze. Harappans used both stone and bronze tools. Textiles and ornaments. The Harappans used metal and stone ornaments. They made carnelian, copper and gold ornaments. Stoneware and shell bangles were used. Trade and exchange. The Harappans had close trade links with Mesopotamians. The Harappan seals have been found in West Asian sites. Weights and measures. The Harappans developed a system of weights and measures. The cubical chert weights are found. The copper plates for weighing balances have been found. The weights point to the knowledge of binary system. The ratio of weighing is doubled as 1:2:4:8:16:32. Seals, sealings and scripts. The seals from various media such as copper, terracotta and ivory are found in Harappan sites. About 5,000 texts have been documented from the Harappan sites. Arts and amusement. Indus Valley civilization, arts and amusement. The terracotta figurines, paintings on the pottery, the bronze image from Harappan sites suggest the artistic skills of the Harappans. Priest king and dancing girl show their artistic skills. Religion. The Indus people had close relationship with nature. They worshipped pipelry. The terracotta figures resemble the mother goddess. The Indus people buried the dead. Evidence for cremation has also been found. Original inhabitants and the culture. The authors of Harappan civilization are not known. One school of thought argued that they spoke the Dravidian language. The evidence shows the movement of the Harappans to the east and south after the decline of Indus Valley civilization. Several groups, including farmers, pastoralists, and hunter-gatherers, lived in the Indus region. Decline of Indus culture. The Indus civilization started declining from 1900 BC. Changes in climate, decline of trade, drying up, flooding of river Indus, foreign invasion. It did not completely disappear. It continued as a rural culture. We come to the end of the session. Thank you.